equipment secured. Get in the truck.
Go, we don't have much time.
Go, follow the lead. Right behind you. Look out, it's coming down. Move. Look out, it's coming down. Run, move. Clear the area, move back.
Set up the perimeter right here.
We need rescue lines deployed immediately. Watch out, it's collapsing. Get the ropes, quickly. Move in now. Pull. We need to move faster. The whole thing is coming down. Dig faster. Pull the ropes. We have to get this buffalo out now. Keep him moving, gently now. Watch your footing on the left. All right, pull him this way, steady. Pull it tight on your end. Securing it now. Watch his back legs. The cliff is going. Drop the net, get back. Go. Ready, and pull. Dig your feet in. Heave. Keep going. Pull. Pull together now. Heave. One more time. Get back, move. The path is blocked. Move quickly. Pull it left. Hurry, get to the trail. Keep pushing, all of us together. Don't let him slip, hold the line. We made it to the path. It should be easier going now.
Good, that slope was treacherous.
Hold him steady, don't let go! I'm trying. The ground won't stop shaking. Hold him. It's coming down, move. Pull. We have to keep moving. Faster, come on, run. We did it. We actually did it.
Yes.
Great job, team! We finally stopped it. You are a hero.
Your quick thinking saved him. Well done, partner.
Good dog. For your courage and loyalty, you deserve this special reward.
The team documents everything to improve future rescue missions for mountain animals.
We did it!
Yes!
It's finally over! Woo! Great job, everyone! Woo! That's what teamwork looks like. We showed them what we're made of.